IKEA. And I'm looking for a dish soap display thing. I don't think I'm gonna have luck finding one, to be honest. But we're gonna see. Of course they didn't have what I needed, but I mean, whatever. I'm about to go to Target after this. I gotta get some soap. And then we're headed to ZZ's doctor appointment. So, y'all, dealing with a haircut is so stressful because why is my hair messed up already? But anyway, so I'm about to go to Target. I'm not about to look at, I could find that thing somewhere else. Or at this point, I'm like willing to make my own thing because like, why can't I find what I'm looking for? So now I'm about to go to Target because I need to get some body wash and I need to get something else. It's in my notes, I don't know, but it's a pretty chill day. It's gloomy out. I'm tired.
It's gonna rain.
Yeah, it's about to rain. It was already raining a little bit, but yeah. So just trying to kill some time before we gotta do what we gotta do. He's such a happy baby. You smell the flower? Like, this is my second time coming in such close encounter with a butterfly. And it just landed on my shoulder. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, this vlog ain't gonna be too much of nothing, but I just got in my cocktail training stuff, so being that I am now into bartending at work. I really went to go be a server, but you have to play both roles, and I'm cool with that. I actually like being behind the bar because I don't have to walk back and forth. But anyway, that's another story for another time. But I am going to teach myself how to make drinks. Not only that, I don't know if y'all know, but I used to be a bartender back in, well, I never was a bartender. Let me stop lying. I never was a bartender. I went to bartending school when I lived in Connecticut. But what happened was Connecticut wasn't thriving with this type of stuff, like how all this stuff is like so cool now. It wasn't thriving with like people going to the bars and stuff like that. But anyway, long story short, I ended up having my bartending license. I never used it. Shout out to Boston Bartending because my teacher was amazing. But I just never used it. So here I am now, 10 years later, and let's get it. So this is over 100 recipes, and the cards look like that. And then they tell you what they are on the back. I think this is actually cool. Wow, so you literally could scan each card and they'll show you how to make them. Of course, I'm not gonna have that time to do that behind the bar unless it's slow, but this was a good purchase. Okay, y'all, so I'm ending my vlog here. I know this vlog wasn't too much of nothing,